Jai Narayan students. Today we will study a very touching story of 11-year-old boy Velu. Children at Work by Geeta Wolf. Children at Work is a very sensible story by Geeta Wolf which focuses on the living of slum children. The story teaches us to be very kind with the children and help whatever you can. This story involves a boy named Velu. He was a small boy of 11. His father was drunkard. His father used to beat him and his sister and used to snatch every money he had earned. Velu was fed up day by day, abuses, and one day he decided to run away from home. He walked all day in a district in Tamil Nadu and later on boarded Kanyakumari Express. Kanyakumari Express brought him to Chennai Central Station. So let's read this story. Velu, an 11-year-old boy, runs away from home. He wanders around for hours before getting on a train to Chennai without a ticket. Tired and hungry, he doesn't know where to go when a stranger at the station shouts a word of welcome. When the Kanyakumari Express pulled in at Chennai Central, it took Velu some time to get off. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly, as if he was still on moving train. Oh, out of the way, a porter went by with a loaded trolley. Velu jumped aside. He sat on a bench of platform, putting his small bundle down. In all his 11 years, he had never seen so many people, except once a year at the fair in his village. People walked by, bumping into him with their suitcases. A voice announced something on the loudspeaker. Near him, a group of people sat on their luggage looking at a TV hanging from the roof. The noises was terrible. Velu put his head down on his knees, feeling miserable and exhausted. He had run away from his village 2 days ago. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts and pieces of jaggery. In his bundle he carried a shirt, a towel, and a comb. He had walked for most of the first day to Kannur and then got on the train to Chennai. Velu had no money for a ticket, but luckily the ticket collector didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He had tried to sleep on the floor near the door. A group of men next to him had played cards and shouted all night. "Eh, what a town!" called out a rough voice. Velu opened his eyes. There were lots of people standing around, but nobody was looking at him. Here, he turned around. Behind him was a girl around his own age, wearing a long banyan that came down to her knees. Her hair was stiff and brownish, and she had a huge sack on one shoulder. She was picking up dirty plastic cups from the floor and stuffing them. So, Velu was 11-year-old boy. He had run away from home. He got into a railway station without a ticket. He had do so because he had no money. He escaped the ticket collector's notice because he didn't come to the unreserved compartment. He got off the train at Chennai Central. His legs were unsteady, मतलब as if वो बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड हो गया था, बिल्कुल उसके लेग्स ऐसे लग रहे थे एज इफ़ ही वॉज स्टिल स्टैंडिंग इन द मूविंग ट्रेन। उसे ऐसा लग रहा था अभी भी मैं मूविंग ट्रेन में ही मेरे पैर घूमे जा रहे हैं। इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ द टायर्डनेस, वीकनेस एंड फियर। द क्राउड्स and the way of people looking upon him made him very miserable. So he sat on the bench on the platform with his small bundle beside him. He was very hungry. For 2 days he had eaten nothing but some peanuts. Peanuts means आपकी जो मूंगफली होती है, and pieces of jaggery. कुछ उसने गुड़ खाए थे, इसके अलावा उसे कुछ भी खाने को नहीं मिला। तो suddenly he heard a rough voice calling him. He saw a girl around his age. So she was wearing a very long बनियान, बनियान जैसे शी इसने पहना हुआ है ना, आपके पिक्चर में देखिए। ओके, सो वेलू stared at her. She asked his name. She guessed rightly that Velu had run away from home. Next stanza. Why is she calling me? Thought Velu. And why is the girl wearing a banyan? No need to stare stupidly. What's your name? Velu, muttered Velu, looking away. So, Mr. Velu, said the girl, looking at his bundle, run away from home. Velu didn't answer. He didn't want to tell some strange girl what he had done. He had run away because he couldn't stand his father beating him for one more day. His father would snatch away all the money Velu and his sister earned and spend it on the drink. Don't think I don't know. This place is full of children like you. So, what are you going to do here? Become rich? She sat down next to him. Velu shifted away slightly. He felt hunger pinching him and pressed his stomach with a grimace. Hungry? Asked the girl. You won't get food by sitting here, Glumsy, making faces. I can find some if you want. She picked up her sack and started to walk away. Velu stayed on the bench. What should he do? Should he follow the girl? Where was she going to take him? She was disappearing into the crowd. So he had to make up his mind quickly. All right, he decided. Anyway, I have no idea where to go. He jumped up and ran after her. She wasn't even looking back to see where he was. He caught up the girl as she was leaving the station. When they got to the road, Velu found that the vehicles kept coming and never stopped from anyone. Smoke and dust flew at him from all sides, making his head spin. They had to wait for a long time before they could find a gap to run through. Velu kept hesitating, and the girl finally dragged him to the other side. What do you think you are doing, grazing cows? If you stand around in the middle of the road like that, you will be chutney. Velu's heart was still beating fast. He looking back at Central Station and the traffic speeding by. How had they managed to come through that? They walked along the side of the road under some huge signboards. Velu looked up. The pictures, bunions, car tires, pen, a woman holding a box. The writing was all in English. So he didn't know what it means because उसे वेलू को इंग्लिश बिल्कुल नहीं आती थी, सो उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि व्हाट टू डू, ये क्या लिखा है, व्हाट इज़ रिटन हेयर और देयर. सो he saw a girl around his age. She was wearing a very long banyan. Velu stared at her. Then she asked his name. She guessed rightly that Velu had run away from the home. She told him that he won't get food sitting there. यहाँ पे बैठ के तुम्हें खाना नहीं मिलेगा, बच्ची ने बोला. The girl was a रैक पिकर कौन होते हैं? जो आपके बॉटल्स, कूड़े करकट को भर के लेके जाते हैं, कूड़े उठाने वाले को सीधे सीधे रैक पिकर. शी पिक्ड हर शैक एंड मूव्ड अवे. वेलू थॉट शी वॉज हिज ओनली होप, so he followed her. Velu caught up with the girl. The two came on the road. The girl helped him cross the road with her. Then they walked along the side of the road. फिर वेलू ने उसकी हेल्प की एंड देन उसके बाद दोनों रोड के साइड पर आए.